Hi, today I'm here to talk to you about this carbon steel axe. It comes with a nice little protector which you are going to need and a cleaning cloth. Now I'd be very careful with this axe. It is very sharp and it will cut you. Like I said, this is carbon steel and I like this a lot because it is very well made. It has a nice handle, everything's cut very nicely, and like I said, this is very sharp. It's said that this can be used for chopping wood, axe throwing, cutting meat and vegetables. This is so beautiful. I would no sooner use this during axe throwing or chopping wood, because personally I think it's something that should be used in the kitchen, but that's up to you. But this is very nice, well built carbon steel axe. I'm going to demonstrate it cutting some chicken and some vegetables, and it just slided right through them. So if you get this, I think you'll enjoy it. So good luck.